Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got a Bespoke post package here. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and let's get started. If you're not familiar with what we do here, we do unboxings, we do gaming, live streams, and occasional tips and tricks, but let's get into this. Okay, let's open this up. Again, subscribing costs nothing and it helps greatly. And so I appreciate every one of you that hits that subscribe button. Okay, let's see what's in here. Paper. Some more paper. Eye mask, anti-dark circles and depuffing with caffeine, vitamin C, and peptides. Okay. Weird. Okay, showing a watch. Let's see what it is. Could be a watch case. It is. Okay. Try and block my face so we can get a better look at that. Interesting. Winston Royal Silver. It's a kimono Royal watch. 90 pounds. It's out of stock. They have two. Is this one out of stock too? Yeah, they're both out of stock. That's some weird watches. So now it says it's weird. It said it was out of stock a minute ago. That one's out of stock, but the blue one's out of... Okay, that one's not. Alright, well, that's what we got. 90 pounds value. Alright. Thank you for watching. Comments down below. What did you think? Yeah, I was not thrilled. Thumbs up, thumbs down, please. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.